Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Tommy Robinson and the far right and the Zionists, Islamophobes in general, when they have no argument against Islam, they finally use the marriage of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam to Aisha radiallahu anha, who at the time of consummation of the marriage was 9 years old. But what they fail to mention, as any anthropologist will inform you, and Tommy, you can Google what an anthropologist is, go and check what that word actually means. They will tell you that in those ancient societies, women sometimes were deemed as being women after they passed the age of puberty. Now, out of interest, Aisha radiallahu anha herself states when a young girl would reach 9 years old, she was deemed a woman. That is in ancient Arabia. That does not mean that the age of consent is not raised by later societies due to mindset or due to societal constraints or due to the mental age and other factors, so many factors. So today we would raise the age of consent, but it's not an issue of contention really, that in ancient Arabia the Prophet ﷺ married Aisha. She herself says that women were deemed as women once they passed the age of puberty, which was 9 years old in that hot climate. And as you can see, I've placed the statement of Aisha on the screenshot. That's from Tirmidhi. Now some Zionist Jews, like that man who was caught in New York City saying to a man on a burger stall,
it says in the hadith, in your holy book,
quoting Bukhari and saying, look, Aisha was only 9 years old. This is a cop-out Islamophobe Zionist argument. They have no other arguments. The killing is in your books, the killing of women and children. It's not found in the Quran. You cannot show a single verse of the Quran which shows killing of women and children. So this argument is a cop-out, it's a failure, it's finished. And I hope you understand that, Tommy. Capiche?